Hello, 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 hello. Hola, 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 hola. Audio is it's okay? You guys can hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Audio, okay? Audio is okay. Hola, hola. Hola, audio. Okay. Okay. Okay, so hello. Today I'm going to try to fix this iPhone SE. Okay, and I'm going to try to teach you how to do the repair. Okay. Remember, I'm going to try to do my best with my English. Okay, my English is not like a really good English, but I'm going to try to do my best to show you step by step how I'm going to fix this one. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to connect the screen, and I'm going to show you guys what this phone do. Okay, I'm going to connect this, and I'm going to connect my power supply. Okay, remember this is an iPhone SE, and okay, so the first thing that we had to understand is when you have an iPhone. Okay, remember, let me just open a software right here. If you have any question, you can just put it in a comment. Okay, I'm going to try to answer all the questions. Okay, guys. Okay, just give me 1 second. This one, no. This one, no. Power C. Just give me 1 second, okay? Okay. Okay, so every time you have an iPhone, okay, you have an iPhone and you are doing the diagnostic, okay? Remember, you don't have to have any consumption, okay? And for example, from this one, we have 8 milliamps. So 8 is nothing, okay? So we have 8 milliamps, okay? 8 milliamps of current, okay? And the first, I just connect the power supply without doing anything, okay? So remember, if you have a consumption right here, you are going to have a short circuit on the principal lines, okay? Remember that, okay? This is the first thing that you had to learn, okay? This is the first thing you had to learn, okay? And then I'm going to come right here. I'm going to come to the, I don't know, my question is that how clean charging with the haven't changed. I'm going to answer the question in a little bit, okay? I don't know why my JC is not working. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to try to fix it. It's not working my software, okay? I don't know what happened here. Okay, I'm going to try one more time. What power cable is this? Yes, it's the 2U. 2U? Yeah, this one. I like to use this one, okay? This is my favorite one. Okay. I'm just trying to open the schematics. So just give me 1 second. I'm just going to upgrade my schematics program. Just give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. This apply to any iPhone that is not powered on, okay? You can apply the same thing that you are going to learn in this video to fix any iPhone that is not powered on. So I don't care if it's iPhone 16, iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone X, any iPhone, okay? Always is the same. Okay? I'm just going to connect my my iPad. Okay. So software is on, okay, right here. And I'm going to come right here to iPhone SE, SE, iPhone SE, this one. And I'm going to open this, okay? Remember, in iPhone XE, we don't have schematics, okay? But remember, this phone works almost the same as iPhone 8. So maybe we can use the same schematics, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to come to the power button. So this one right here. And we had to find this bottom right here, bottom power key, okay? Okay, so we can just power on the phone with this power right here. So I'm going to come to this. Okay, right there. And so we can do, I'm going to put the ground right here and I'm going to touch this one, okay? And I'm going to wait a little bit and just give me 1 second. A few seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now we can see that we have Apple logo and then it's just off. Okay, and then it's just restart. See the consumption right here. 60, 30, and then Apple logo, and then just boom. Okay, it's just going this boot loop. Okay, so it's going to do this boot loop. Okay, also it's better to use. We sometimes can use this. We can use these tools. Just give me 1 second right here. We also can use these tools to have a better understanding of the of this. Okay, so I'm going to do the. Oh, sorry, my program is not working now. Okay, so we also can use these tools to have a better understanding of the graphic. Okay, see, do poop. Now tune, 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 boom, 60, boom, e, boom, down. Okay, see? Now tune, 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 two, boom, down. Okay, one more time, just to have a better understanding of this failure, okay? Okay, I'm going to stop this one right here, and I'm going to explain something to you, okay? You have to understand how iPhone is working, okay? How the iPhone works, okay? So to have an iPhone working, remember when we press, okay? When we press, we have a CPU, okay? We have a CPU right here, okay? We have a PMU right here, and we have our power key right here, okay? Power key. Also, we have the NAND. And right here, we also are going to have the I2C bus. Okay, the I2C bus, okay? So when we are pressing the power key, we are sending one signal to the PMU to start working. And remember, when we are connecting our battery, okay, this is the battery with 4 voltage and 5 amps. So when we are connecting this to the phone, okay, to the phone, we are putting this voltage and this current to the phone, okay? So we are providing this power to our PMU, okay? Remember, the PMU is some regulator. This is going to take our lines for 4 voltage, and these PMU are going to regulate these lines, for example, 3 voltage, 1.8 voltage, 1.1 voltage. And this one is going to provide some lines that we are going to call this one box, and one lines that we are going to call this one LDOs, okay? The box, okay, we have box. This box is going to provide the power to the CPU. When the CPU is receiving this line of power, so the CPU is on. When we have Apple logo, that's because our PMU send the power to the CPU, and that's why we have Apple logo, okay? We have to understand this. And then when the CPU is on, so the CPU is going to talk with the NAND, with the PCA lines, okay? and ask for all the drivers for the IRS and all the information. So that's why the NAND is so important on the first step of the power. And then we are going to have the I2C bus, okay? So this is like the big picture of the power on of the phone, okay? So for example, if we come back right here in this graphic, if we understand this graphic, we can understand a lot, okay? Because so for me, in these lines, okay, we have our power button right here. Remember, I explained this in one video talking about the 1 second power. Okay, the 1 second power is something that we had to have 60 to 120 milliamps on the first second. Okay, and then when we have these lines right here, that's because our PMU send the box, okay? And then this one is connecting to the CPU, okay? To our CPU. To our CPU, okay? And that's why we right now we need the CPU to power on and then connect with the NAND. Okay, and then this phone had to connect right here with the NAND, and we don't see that, right? We don't see that because we just see that when this phone is connecting to CPU, it's just going off and then start again the same thing. Box, CPU, where is the NAND? Okay, we don't have NAND, pop, okay? So right here we can have a problem maybe on some lines of the CPU, some missing power, and that's why the phone is just restarting. Or we can have a problem with some lines or with the NAND, or some problem with the NAND, okay? Okay, any question on that? You guys understand this? Okay, so I'm going to bring the phone and I'm going to start doing, the first thing that you have to do is just inspection, okay? We are going to do a inspection right here, okay? We are just doing an inspection, okay? Just inspections, okay? See, someone already measured the NAND, okay? And I know for sure someone already measured these caps, okay? So someone already measured the NAND lines, but I think they don't do anything, okay? So maybe sometimes we have the CPU with how you say in English? Let me use my translate, okay? In English, we can cold soldering. Maybe we can have cold soldering on the CPU, and that's it. That is going to be the problem. Okay, so I'm going to try just to apply a little bit of heat on the top of the CPU and try to power on the phone again, okay? Just to see if we have a cold solder on this phone. Because remember, if I see the Apple logo, that means I have all the power lines, and that's why the CPU is on. And if the CPU is on, we are going to have Apple logo. But we can have a problem with the CPU, maybe some missing power lines, or we can have a problem with the NAND. So that's the things that we have to learn right here, okay? So I'm going to just apply a little bit of heat on the top of the CPU. I'm going to put this, and I'm just going to apply some heat right here on the top. Just a little bit. Hello to Kim Bean, to GSM Saini, Repairers. How are you? Christian Odin, how are you? Thank you, guys. for. So I'm just going to apply. Remember in iPhone 8 we have this problem a lot. Okay, and I'm going to try to power on this phone right there. Edgar is hot. It's okay. And I'm going to just see if we have a better. Oh no, see, we have the same thing. Going to do a little press. No, the same thing. The same thing. It's just Apple logo and ploop. Okay, it's just Apple logo and restart. Apple logo and restart. Okay, I'm going to disconnect my battery, and I'm going to start trying to search for voltage. Okay, so the first voltage that I'm going to we had to have a step by step. Okay, so the first thing that we had to measure on this phone is I'm going to power off, and I'm just going to power on again, and I'm going to measure the power button key. Okay, the power button always you had to have you need to have 1.7 something. Okay, see, 1.7, so that means this is good. Okay, this is good. Okay, another thing that maybe can cause this problem is this this one right here, but I think this one is good. Okay, this one is good. Now the second thing that I'm going to check is for BCC main. Okay, BCC main. We had to have step by step. Okay, so the battery is this one, and we have BDD main. BDD main right here. Okay, so I can measure. Okay, if you have any question, just let me know. Okay, I'm going to measure BDD main right here. Hello from Togo. Where is Togo? Where is Togo, my friend? I know I have followers from. Okay, see, we have 4 voltage right here. Now, remember, we had to check for BDD boost. That's the another line. This one, BDD boost. Those are the principal lines. Okay, so I'm going to check for these lines. Okay, so I'm going to check these lines. This is a BDD boost, and we have BDD boost for voltage. Okay, that's good. So the principal lines are good. Power button, BDD main, and BDD boost. Okay, now I'm going to power on this phone. I'm going to use power on the phone, and I'm just going to the phone to do the restart. Okay, and that's it. I don't care. Okay, one more time. One more time. One more time, my friends. Oh. NAND voltage. Yeah, I had to measure the NAND voltage. But first, let me just power on this phone, okay? Okay. Why I can't just power on this phone? Gosh. What happened? Okay. There you go. Okay. So now we have the phone on with the boot loop, okay? So now we don't have schematics of this phone, so that's why we use can to search for the coils, okay? For example, we know this is the PMU, right? So now we can use, for example, search for this one, okay? This one we have to have 1.2 voltage, okay? So I'm going to measure these caps right here, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to measure for these caps right here. 1.2 voltage, okay? I have one, I have, oh, I think I did a short circuit. Remember, charging and power on, that's two different failures, okay? That's not the same. Charging is one thing and power is another thing. That's not the same. So some technicians do the mistake that they say, okay, I have an iPhone that is no power, but is charging. That's a separate thing. So that's why you have to understand that the power is one thing and the I don't know why this phone is too complicated to power. Okay, no. What happened? Okay, there you go. Ah, ah. Just give me 1 second, okay, guys? Sorry. Togo is in West Africa. Okay, Togo. Togo. So I have a follower from Africa. That's nice. I know in this YouTube channel, you know that I have a YouTube channel in Spanish, right? That's the biggest one. But okay. Now we had to have 1.2 voltage right here, and we have 1.2 voltage there. Okay. Now we had to continue with this. Okay, PPAV. I don't know the voltage on this one. I'm going to check this one. Okay, I'm going to check some voltage there. Okay, some voltage right here. I have 600 millivolts. Now the phone is off again because I think there we go. Okay, we have 600 millivolts. Now GPU, remember we are don't going to have a GPU lines. This one we can measure this line because this one is the last one that we had to check. Display, PP display, maybe we don't have this one either, but I'm going to try to check this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to try to check that one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See, we have also gosh. We have also there 600 something, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. We have 700 millivolts. That's good. I don't know the voltage, okay? Because we are no we don't have a schematics, okay, for this one. So GPU, we don't going to have GPU. PP CPU core, yes, we need that. Let me check that one. If we had some voltage on this one. Yes, we have 700 millivolts. Now, this one, PP CPU core, yes, we need that one too. Some voltage, almost the same, 700 something. I'm sorry. I'm going to check this one. See, we have 700 something. Okay, that's good. And now maybe this one, yes, PPSD RAM. We need that one too. I'm checking all the voltage from the box, okay? From all the coils that I can see on this board. So I'm checking all this voltage. See, we have this one too. PP, okay. And now this one, 09. This one I think is the one provide, no, this one is another one. Okay, we had to have 0.9 over there. That's the thing. You had to measure a lot to don't make mistakes, okay? See, we have 0.9 there. Now, this one, DCS. This one, we have 700. That's good. And that's it. This one, we also can check this one, sock. Okay. This one, I'm going to try to check this one on this little cap right here. See, 1.2, that's good. And then this one, we had to check this one too. Yes, sir. Here is the back. Here we have another coils, okay? For example, this one. This one is so important. This one, I can check this one right here. Use your short killer to inject voltage into the bottom board? Why? Why you are going to use the short killer if you don't have any short circuit? That don't make sense, okay? No, 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 no. Please, you had to measure first and then, see, 1.8. Use your short killer. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This one. I'm checking all the coils if I have the voltage, okay? This is the first step. You had to check for the voltage, okay? You had to check for all the voltage that are coming from the CPU, from the PMU. Okay? Okay. Okay. Sorry, Christian. You are replying the comment, okay? Sorry. Okay, I think we don't have more. I think that's it. This one are for the this one. I need this one too. That's because I don't have schematics. That's why I'm doing this. If I have schematics, it's easier. 4. Okay, I think we have a little problem right here. I think. I'm not sure. Okay, for example, see this voltage? This one, we had to have 1.1 right here. And if we count 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4. Oh, okay. There you go. I have it there. Sock fix it. Yes. 3.3. I think I'm not going to have that one. I don't remember. Yes, 3.3. Okay, so I'm going to continue to see which another voltage that I can measure. I already did this one. This is another one important. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. This is a step by step. Okay, remember, I like to teach this before you are just using the graphic. Okay, that's why you had to learn this one first, and then it's going to be easier to you guys just to see the graphic and say, okay, maybe it's the CPU, maybe it's NAND, or maybe it's another thing. Okay, PP. I think we already checked that one, and I think we already checked everything. Yes. 1.2 soft. Yes. 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 Okay. So for me, we have all the lines for the CPU. Good. Okay. Now we are going to check this one. For example, I need this current, this voltage for the NAND. So I'm going to come right here and I'm going to check for the NAND. Okay. I'm going to check for this one. Okay. And see, I have this one. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to come back right here. And I'm going to check another power line for the NAND. This one. And I'm going to check for this one right here. Okay, and I have the voltage, see? Okay, so I have the voltage for the NAND already. So that's good. Okay. Okay. So if we have all the lines, remember this graphic already, right? So that's is telling me that we are seeing the power right here, the box right here, and the CPU is on. But something is wrong when they had to connect with the NAND. If the NAND is not working, so that's why we are having this bloop, okay? And that's why we have this problem. So I'm going to go and take out the NAND, okay? And I'm going to check if the phone we can apply software with the NAND, without the NAND. Okay, there is the NAND. Okay, and I'm going to start. I'm going to use 260. Okay, so this one you had to be careful and just be patient. Okay, like that. We also can missing PCI line. No. you had to take out all these this some like a glue. I'm using 260, okay? Okay. Yeah, I hate to. Wonderful. Be careful when you have this component like this one, okay? Just give me 1 second. Be careful when you have a component close. See, this one. Remember already, someone tried to clean all this thing. So just be careful without to don't damage another components, okay? Because you can have another problems later, okay? Okay, remember this one already. Someone take a lot of stuff and they do the measurements too. Okay, so now we just have to remove the NAND, okay? So I'm going to remove the NAND from here, okay? I'm going to use a clamp. Thank you so much for all your videos, great content. Just quick question, iPhone owns no communication with the PC. With IC, I do show short first. Maybe the USB circuit. That's the first thing that maybe you had to check. Oh, also you can check the flex cable. Sometimes it's just a flex connector. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Now I'm going to try to remove the the NAND. Edgar, I need your course in English later, okay? I I don't know. I want to learn a little bit more English to to give you guys a free course because I think it's a little bit hard to me in English to explain a lot of stuff. But that's why I did this channel to start practice my English. That's the first step I'm taking. What happened? What happened here? Why this nanny is not going? But you guys need help with one, okay? With reballing, with diagnostic, to maybe just start doing better videos, okay? Because we had to learn a lot, okay? And that's why I started this channel. To me, I like to always change the solder, so that's why I always apply this 138 solder pasta. Hola. Oh, thank you. See, someone bring me coffee. Huh? Okay? No, thank you. Yes, we need coffee. We always need coffee. Just let me take a picture. Okay, now, like I told you, I like to change the solder pasta to 138 because later is going to be easier for us to clean. Okay, so you guys need help with diagnostic, with schematics, with solder, with what? Just to know, which videos I had to focus on. Okay, how long are you guys doing this kind of repairs? Tell me. I have 8 years fixing these phones, fixing iPhones. I start fixing iPhones when iPhone 3G. Okay, now I'm going to put the solder, going to apply some flux, and I'm going to pass my solder wick, okay, like that. Like this. Like this, okay? Now I'm going to clean. We are going to use 260. Just be careful to don't damage a lot the board. And we are trying to. Oh. Remember, first you had to change the solder paste, okay? That's easier to you guys to then remove the underfire because I'm using 260. Remember, I already talked with my customer and I talk with them and I say, okay, you maybe are going to lose your information. That's the first thing, okay? You can't do this without telling your customer that they are going to just meet. Uh, just give me 1 second. Coffee first. Oh, I have been fixed phones for maybe 16 years. 16 years. I started when with the Motorola's StarTAC. StarTAC, you know this model? I start fixing these phones. These phones. Motorola StarTAC. Motorola StarTAC. See, I started with this phone 2005. Okay, 2005. Okay, this is um, my first table, my first work setup. See, this is 2007. I use this one, this one. See, this is 2007. 2007. Okay, when I start fixing phones. Okay, and I remember I fixed this the flex of the earpiece from the motherboard, and I start doing this. This is my first. And now, see, this is the second, another one, another one. This is me, this is me, this is me. And now, well, I teach these kind of repairs around the world. I'm the owner of the Your Reparo Academy. That's the biggest academy online for iPhone repairs. Okay, we also have a website where you guys can buy tools. Okay, we fix USA. These stories in USA. And guys, just to let you know, guys, we have our own brown. Okay, this is our own brown. We have solder, we have flux, we have a multimeter, and we also have screens. Okay, we have screens. We have tweezers, we have screwdrivers. I have a few things. Okay, maybe later I'm going to show you that. Now, focus. We are focusing on learn because I want to you guys to learn these repairs to make money. Okay, we want to make money fixing this iPhone. Before I live in California, now I'm living in Guatemala because when the pandemic started, I have been traveling. I have to travel for maybe 23 countries, and when the pandemic started, so I had to stop doing the training courses and I start doing the online courses. I have been a phone technician for 6 years now. Thank you, my friend. Okay, so we removed the NAND already. Now I'm going to try to do one thing right here. Okay, I'm going to. Do you drink Red Bull and Daily Basic? No, I just drink coffee. Coffee is my drink. I'm going to show you one tip, okay? Always when you have an iPhone without the NAND, you can try to restore this iPhone without the NAND, okay? We are looking to see the Apple logo thing, okay? If you have the Apple logo, that's a good indicator that your CPU is searching for the NAND, okay? So maybe we just have the NAND bad, okay? So that's a good indicator for us. So now I'm going to put the screen and I'm going to bring my cable. Where is my cable? And I'm going to connect the phone without the NAND. Without the NAND. Remember, without the NAND, we are going to have this phone in a DFU mode, right? If we don't have this phone in DFU mode, that's a bad thing to do. These guys say the refix. I have been watching a few of your videos. Now I have been blown away by the quality of your channel. Thank you, my friend. I like to do videos too. So that's why we have a good setup to teach you guys. Okay, now we have this phone in DFU mode. That's the thing we are searching for, okay? Now we are going to try to do the restore. We are going to come right here, iPhone SE. Oh, what happened here? I don't have this. Oh my gosh. We had to wait 40 seconds, 30 seconds, 20 seconds. Just give me 1 second, okay? Any question? You guys think I can do an English course with this English? I don't know. It's complicated for me. It's a little bit complicated for me. Maybe later. Okay, iPhone SE, Tomb. Ooh, oh, what happened? iPhone SE. Why this told me that is no? Just give me one. Oh, because this one I download the SE 3 and this one is the SE 2007. Okay, just give me 1 second. I'm going to download the new one. So we are going to wait. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to download the unknown one. Oh my gosh, my internet is okay. I'm going to bring my I'm going to bring my tool to try to fix this. I'm going to wait to the software to download. Okay. Now I'm going to focusing on the. I'm watching from Pakistan. See, I have from Pakistan. So maybe someday I can travel to Pakistan. Someday I'm going to clean this. Okay. I'm going to apply some flux. And I'm going to do this. Remember, don't use too much heat on your iron when you are cleaning this. Okay. Okay, now it's clean. I'm going to apply okay. Right. Okay. We have the NAND clean. We are going to see if we can upgrade the NAND too. Hola. Preguntarle a Manuel si tiene una memoria de una NAND de iPhone 8 para arriba que sea como de unos 128 o 56. Por favor. Spanish. You have to learn Spanish. Okay, so I'm going to connect my tool. This one, the P13. This is the one I like to use. And I'm going to put my NAND, okay? Oh, see? Undetected. This NAND is bad. Oh, there you go. There you go. Now we are going to open JC. We are going to open the software to work. Just my computer is really slow. We had to wait a lot to the software to download. Just give me 1 second, guy. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to open the software to work with this, okay? With this, but it's loading. Ay, why? My computer is really slow now. Hola? ¿Cuánto? ¿Y estas? Ah, thank you. I had to do the update. Any question, guys? I can answer the question of the comments. I want to face lectures with you. Thank you to Don Nicolas Coffee Shop to bring me this coffee. Okay, so we almost, okay. And also I'm downloading the software, okay. It's just telling me. You can add English subtitles to your Spanish channel and we can learn more. You know what? I'm trying to search for a software to translate my videos. Maybe later I can use Thank you for what you are learning and your English is good. Thank you. So I'm going to try to enter. I don't know why this software is not open. Okay, almost. Someone know what happened? My internet is really slow right now, and I want to fix this. Just give me 1 second, okay? Sorry about that. I'm trying to load this software. Just give me 1 second, okay? My internet is just really bad right now. Oh my gosh, we can't do anything. I'm going to bring my another tool. It's just not open. I think it's my internet, guys. Just give me 1 second. It's so frustrating. I need to open the software to work at this tool, okay? That's why I'm trying to do. But I know is the okay. Just give me 1 second, okay? I'm going to bring another tool. Just give me 1 second. I'm coming back, okay? Just give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Tiene la llave de aquí. Okay, sorry. Sorry, but I don't know what happened with my internet. It just it's just really slow. So I'm going to use this one. Okay. And and almost, guys, almost. Okay, I'm going to connect this one, and I'm going to bring the NAND. This NAND, I don't need this one anymore, and I'm going to show you guys in this one. Okay, what happened with this? So no one on my stool is working. What happened? Okay, there you go. Do you want to travel so I can? Okay, so now I'm going to put this one. Soy loading. Okay. Okay, so say iPhone 128 gigabytes, iPhone 11. Okay, so now if I check the information, I have the information here. I'm going to do the backup. Okay, backup, it's good. And now I'm going to do um what? No, no. Where? Clear. That's why I like to use the PC because I don't understand how to do it right here. So maybe CISC, clear, yes, clear. We don't have nothing. Restore, iPhone SE, open. Okay, clear. There you go. I think that's it. I think that's it. We just had to wait for the software to download. Okay, I think that's it with the NAND. No. Okay, I think that's it. Right? Right here. If I go here, I can use clear. Do you want to clear? Confirm. Then restore. We have iPhone SE. Open. Restoring. And that's it. Clear right there. Okay. I think we have that. Okay, so I'm going to try to put this one. If not, I'm going to change the NAND. The only thing that I'm worried about it is I need to download the software and say 10 minutes. Just too much for us. 10 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to do reballing. I'm not sure. Maybe we can just change for another name. Let me see if I can change this for another name. No. Can you on my way to Dubai for a course too many people are waiting? If I want to go to Dubai, maybe I can go to Dubai. You want me to go to Dubai? It's too far. Okay, I'm going to do the reball. Okay, to do the reball on how many hours we had to wait. I don't know why my internet is really slow, guys. Sorry about that. Sorry. So this is the NAND. I don't have a really good internet right now, guys. And I always like to do the reball with solder balls. I'm going to show you. For me, it's better to do that way. If I go to Dubai, I can travel there. Where is my? Just give me 1 second. I don't have my solder balls. Just let me ask for my technician. Just give me 1 second. My internet is really bad. The software is downloading. I don't know why. Sorry guys to I don't have a really good internet and I'm trying to download the software. I hate when this happened to me. Okay, this one says, Hola. ¿Qué jodo? I like to use these solder balls to do the reball on end. I don't know why. For me, it's better to use solder balls. I don't know. That's my technique. So I just put one at a time. You can use just regular solder too, but I like to use this way. Okay. I don't know why. This is my technique. So, so you are from Dubai. Dubai. Just give me 1 second. I know it's easier to just do it the another way, but for me, it's better to do it like this. Okay, to me, this is my technique. Sorry about that, but I like to use NAND doing like that. That's so many balls. 2 minutes to the software to download. Almost. I'm from Pakistan and I have a business in Dubai. People fix iPhone in Dubai? So you have 8 technicians over there? Almost, 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 guys. Okay, I think that's it. Now I'm going to apply heat. Just be careful with this. Oh, shoot. Sorry. I know it's better to use solder pasta, but I like to do it this way. Okay, just because. Okay, there you go. That's it. Finally, okay, so we have our NAND ready to go. Now, I think the software is done. So I'm going to bring my phone and I'm going to bring this. And I'm going to connect the phone. Remember that we are looking for Apple logo, okay? Okay, so now I have this one, restore. Okay, now it's extracting, so we're going to see if we have Apple logo, okay? Okay, almost. See, it's extracting. Now it's preparing the phone. So now we had to see Apple logo right here. Okay, if we see the Apple logo, so that's a good indicator that the CPU is just searching for the NAND. Remember, I don't have the NAND putting on this phone. Okay, so I'm going to wait. If I don't see the Apple logo, so that's bad for us. So maybe the waiting for the iPhone. Just give us a time. Okay. See? And we see this error, okay? Let me see if I connect the screen good, because it's too weird that we don't have the Apple logo. I'm going to connect the screen good. If we don't see the Apple logo, that's bad for us. That's really bad. Okay, one more time. Restore. And I need to see the Apple logo. Okay. Okay. Waiting for an iPhone. We don't see the Apple logo. Oof. No? No Apple logo? That's bad. Uy, uy, uy. Yes, we don't see the Apple logo. We have a really bad thing happen here. If we don't see the Apple logo, the CPU is not powered on. So that's the problem. That's the problem right here, my friends. I don't know if the screen is good, but I know for sure the screen is good. Before we have Apple logo, so that's why I'm worried about it. Before we have the Apple logo, so if I have the error, this error 4014, that's a good error. But I don't know why I don't have the Apple logo anymore. I'm going to try one more time. Okay, and now I'm going to connect the screen. Going to connect the phone. I don't know why I don't see the Apple logo anymore. "35 people on this live." This is my second live, okay? Glad to see you live. Thank you. So I'm doing this. I'm doing the restore without the NAND, and I need to see the Apple logo, but I don't see the Apple logo coming. So that's bad. That's really bad. But I'm going to put the NAND, but that's weird. That's so weird. Yeah, here I don't see the Apple logo anymore. But I'm going to put the NAND. Oh, I don't know what happened. If we don't have the Apple logo, sometimes it's because the CPU is desoldering, but I'm not sure if this went to the solder. Okay, now I'm just going to clean this motherboard. If it's not working, so we are going to do another measurements, okay? Just because I don't want to do this light too long, I'm just going to solder the NAND, but we had to measure a lot of things right here, a lot of things in this board. But I'm just going to focusing to and just because I don't see the Apple logo again, that's so bad for us. We had two components missing there. So I'm going to check these components, okay? Okay, now we have the thing clean. So I'm going to try to put the NAND. And we had to check for these two missing components. Can you try to see if in 3U2? No, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. So this is cap and cap. So that's good. So I'm going to try to use the same NAND. Sometimes it's better to change for another NAND, but I'm going to try to use the same one, okay? I like to use another one, but I'm going to try to use this one. And if it's not working, I'm going to change. Okay. So I'm going to wait just to the board to be cold. If it's not working, so I'm going to change the NAND, okay? But I don't know why it's not showing me the Apple logo. Maybe. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so I hope it's going to work. Let me just see. We just upload a new okay, I'm just waiting to the call. Okay. Okay. I don't know why we don't see the Apple logo. That's something to worry about it. Because before we have Apple logo. That's why I'm worried. I'm worried. But if we have a okay, I'm going to connect this one, and for sure is not going to be in a yes. Okay, we have Apple logo now. That's so weird. That's so weird. Let me see if with this NAND is going to work, okay? I'm not sure if it's going to work with this NAND. I'm not sure. Okay, preparing for iPhone to restore. We had to wait a little bit. Okay, that's good. Preparing iPhone for restore. See, error 9. So I think I'm going to change the NAND, okay? I'm going to change the NAND. We had to change the NAND. I think the NAND is the problem. I'm going to try one more time. If not, I have another NAND right here. I have another NAND. Okay. Yes, see, the same thing. Okay, so we are going to change the NAND. We are going to change the NAND. Okay. iPhone, this is a NAND for iPhone 12, say? Okay, so now we had to uh, modify. No, we had to this clear. We already cleared this, and I'm going to restore to iPhone SE. Standard repair. Sure, confirm. I'm formatting the NAND. You want me to try to and 3U tool? I think it's not going to work in 3U tool, but I'm going to try just to show you guys. But it's the same thing. If it's not working, well, sometimes it's working in 3U tool. So I'm going to do the thing that my friend Hiro say. I'm going to come back right here. And I'm going to go to Flash, quick Flash. See, say we don't have connection. That's weird. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, see? So we have this NAND already, okay? Okay. See, I have problems with my internet. That's so weird. Let me try to see if I can just send I'm going to change my internet. No? No? No, no, no. It's not the internet. Oh, there you go. Quick flash mode. So I'm going to try to do it here. There you go. No. The same thing. Okay, so I'm going to change the NAND. Okay. I don't know why my internet is really slow right now. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm going to change the NAND faster, okay? Sorry, guys. Faster, faster. Faster. All right. Now, I'm going to print this. Is the another one? This is the another one. Choo, choo, choo. Choo, choo, choo. Okay, perfect. Now, faster, faster. Perfect. Now, my okay, I'm going to see. I'm using this. This is from my brand. 138, 183. This is from my brand. Okay. Almost, guys, almost. So now I'm going to use just solder. Okay, I'm going to try to do my best to just use solder. I don't like to do it like this. I don't know why. But it's faster. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to bring the board. Okay. Now we're just going to wait a little bit to put this phone on this. Almost, guys, almost. Almost. This is the last try I'm going to do with this phone. If it's not working, so we had to check another thing. Okay. 2 hours already in this live just to fixing this phone. Trying to fix this phone. Sometimes it's just better to do the swap, right? Nah, I like to measure a lot. That's why we learn a lot. Okay. Okay, the phone is in DFU mode. See, it's in DFU mode. I'm going to try with this. I don't like to use 3U tool sometimes. But I'm going to try this. Okay. Okay, one more try. Enter the phone in recovery mode. Oh, it's not changing to, see, we have another problem right now. That's another thing. Sometimes it's because the NAND is not soldered as good. That's why I don't like to solder the NAND like that. Oh, yeah. iTunes. Going to wait, but I think I had to solder the NAND again. That's why I don't like to solder the NAND with with the solder. I don't know why. It, I always have this problem. Okay, preparing the iPhone for restore. Waiting for the iPhone. And the iPhone never arrived. Ah, ah, ah. If we get the error 9, so I'm going to stop the live right there, okay? If we got another, yeah, that's no NAND. I'm going to solder the NAND again, okay? Okay, the NAND, one more time. This NAND is not soldered good. Going to desolder the NAND and solder the NAND again. That's why I like to use solder balls. Just with the NAND. Okay, prepare coffee and popcorns. Come on, Edgarito, come on. Okay. I don't know why, but I always, when I use a solder, I have this problem. So that's why I like to use solder balls and ends. I don't know why. That's my fault, okay? No. This is my fault, okay? Mm-hmm. Error 14, 40, 14 sometimes is not NAND. That's it. Remember, with the no NAND, we get error 9. Sorry, this was my fault. I'm just going to check if we still have this NAND good. We have this NAND good. Okay. So now I'm going to use solder balls, okay? Where's my stencil? My stencil. Here. Sorry, guys. Almost. We're just going to try one more time just to see if with the NAND this phone is on. If not, so I'm going to continue the video and I'm going to upload later on. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to apply solder balls. Reflow the NAND? No, I like to do it again with solder balls. For me, it's better to use these solder balls, okay? It's better for me. Okay. It's just two missing. "29 people seeing the video. Sorry, guys. I make a huge mistake with an N. Okay, perfect. Now, where's the fun? One more try. Okay, later, if it's not working, I had to measure all the paths from the NAND. Okay, just because I don't want to make this video, this live longer, and I already had 2 hours. But if it's not working, we had to measure all the lines from the NAND, clock, reset, PCL lines, and a lot of stuff. So maybe later I can do it again. Okay, just to let you know, guys, never do this without checking all the paths. It's better to check the dial mode and all the paths. Okay, I'm just because I want to do this one faster. I'm not going to check the lines. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Two hours. 2 hours trying to fixing this phone. Okay. The last try, okay, guys. If it's not working, so I'm going to give you the steps that I'm going to continue with this one, just to uh, where maybe can be the problem. Okay. Okay. One more try. 2 hours already. Okay, waiting for the iPhone. Connect, 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 connect. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, it's connecting. Preparing the iPhone for restore. Remember, we get error 4014. And sometimes the 4014 can be the CPU too, okay? But before we have error 9. Okay, waiting for the iPhone. Okay, error, see? Error 4014. 4014 means the NAND is not connecting to the CPU, okay? And when the NAND is not connected, I don't have charge. When the NAND is not connecting to the CPU, we had to check a few things, okay? I'm going to give you the steps that I'm going to continue with this one later. I'm going to come back right here, okay? We get error 4014, okay? So the first thing is we had to run dial mode and all the pads, okay? That's the first thing that we had to do. Never, give me 1 second. Okay, never start, almost. So the first thing is dial mode, okay? Dial mode and all these pads, okay? Second, we had to check the voltage. We already checked the voltage, so that's why maybe the voltage is not a problem. But the first thing is dial mode. Okay. Second, voltage. Third, we can check the PCAE lines. Okay. These ones are, remember, we don't have schematics right here, so we can just write right here PCA lines, and we are going to check this one, the NAND, okay? So we had to check these capacitors, see, this one, this capacitor, this one is coming from the NAND and is going to the CPU. So it's 4 capacitor, see, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we had to have another one, PCA lines, this one, okay, what else? Yes, just 1, 2, we need, okay, here, and here's another one, see, this one and this one, so it's 4 capacitor, these 2 and these 2. You have to check this capacitor that maybe is losing from the phone, or maybe when the another technician tried to clean this area, maybe they moved the capacitor, okay? So that's why we had to check these small capacitors right here. See, this one is just to check if it's solder, okay? Perfect, and then these 2, there is, okay? These 2 on the top, okay? Perfect. Okay, now the another line, we had the PCA lines. Now we had to check, okay, for this line. We had to check for a clock. No, not this clock. This one. No. AP to NAND. This one. This is a very important line, okay? This is a clock that the CPU is sending to the NAND, okay? If we don't have this clock, we had to check this clock with the oscilloscope. If we don't have this clock, okay, this clock is so important, and also this resistor right here. So we can use power on this phone, okay, and check if we have this line good, okay. If we have this line good, so clock is good. If we don't see the clock with the oscilloscope, that means the CPU is just the solder. So the problem is the CPU. So I check diode, I check voltage, I check for PCA lines, and I check for the clock. If I have everything there, so I'm just going to put another NAND. If with the another NAND I still have the same problem, so our problem is the CPU is just the solder, so that we had to do a reball on the CPU. Okay, that's the steps that I had to continue in this phone. I'm going to do it right here. I'm just going to cut this live because we already had 2 hours. And later I'm going to just upload the video trying to fix this phone, okay? Perfect, guys. Sorry to don't fix this phone, but sometimes we get this. Sometimes it's a little bit complicated. Sometimes it's easier. So that's why we had to continue and learning and learn and learn and learn. Okay? Okay. Swap Apple logo enough. Show Apple logo enough. Yes. Okay, guys, so thank you to watch this live video. Sometimes this phone is going to be hard to do it. Sometimes it's easier. The hard thing to me is sometimes takes time because I had to start doing the class, the video, touching all these buttons right here. So that's why sometimes it takes time. But this one is like an hour to fix, and that's it. Okay, but sometimes take times because we are doing the video and the class and talking and da. Okay, so I'm going to upload the second part of this class. Okay, guys, see you next time, and thank you for being here. Okay, see you next time. Adios.